So guys, visa bulletin for November 2024 is now available. So we will check guys the new cut-off date for family sponsored preference and employment based preference. So this is the final action date for family sponsored preference. So you can just check the cut-off date of the category from F1 to F4 for the cut-off date of family sponsored preference. And this is the latest update for the employment-based preference. So there is no movement guys, no? So for the rest of the world, China, India, Mexico, and the Philippines, there is no movement for this November 2024 visa bulletin. So from previous month, October